Sounds Piettasenristi 8 in Leinola Tampere staircase. What?
0 is success.
Yeah,
This is the second floor.
Yes. Which staircase this?
B. The series
yeah.
is 1455B. Capacity is 8 for 6 and 30 times, and it's going to be inspected this year in 2022. That's 5 floors here. But is it locked off to the other one?
I think so.
Yeah. Sadly, it's locked.
Yeah.
Because the codes are impossible. Could also be from 2001.
Yeah.
Or maybe late 2001, 2002. I'll check the window.
Yeah.
Or we can check.
What was the address?
Piettasenristi 8.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2001.
Yes, I said it.
Ah,
As I said first 2001 and I was right. I was right.
yeah.
Okay. But at first I was wrong. It's 2001.
Yeah. Inspired by HCB and maintained by Kony.
20 years old in last year, 2021. Somebody else could press the buttons. When we go down.
Shall we end our video there for one?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
There's nothing special on the second floor. There's of course no alarm sign here.
Yeah.
If you got satisfied. There's the dot for the decimal, but it's not that.
That's